Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Windows 10 Windows security not opening issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Go to Windows search bar, type Windows security, right click, click on app settings, click on reset it, go to Windows search bar, type PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. Copy the commands from description, copy the first command and paste it, click enter, exit PowerShell, restart your computer, go to Windows search bar again, type PowerShell, right click, run as administrator, copy the second command and paste it, click enter, type Y, copy the third command and paste it, click enter, exit and restart your computer. Go and open Windows security. Now you can open it. Thanks for watching.